The gopis are showing us what it means to be the greatest devotee of Krishna. And they are our role models. Gopi. The six Goswamis and the most wealthy and detached and learned men of the sages of the universe, they want to become 14-year-old girls. Can you imagine the oldest munis and the oldest rishis in the entire universe that are actually billions and zillions of years old, so powerful, so learned, so influential. They heard about the Braja Gopis and their helplessness and their surrender and their attachment and their deep love for Krishna. And they said, oh, this is so sweet and charming and attractive. I want to be a gopi. So they asked Narayan once, they said, listen, sir, we've been working a long time, and I think it's about time for our retirement. And we've been singing for you since time immemorial. So can we get early retirement? Because usually we would retire when you inhale and the universe gets unmanifest. But we'd like to take a little early retirement and spend the balance of our lives, because we're old, and our parents told us when we were young, don't do spiritual life now, but wait till you're old and then do spiritual life. So now we're old, and it's our time. We would like to go and do practice Raganuga Bhajan and Radhakund, or let's say somewhere, and follow the gopis. So Vishnu said, well, wait a minute, let me see the contract, terms of contract. No, you still have another 150 million years of seva. You have 150 million years of seva. And he said, oh, Vishnu, kripa karo, kripa karo. Let us go, and do our bhajan. Let me go to Braj and do bhajan. So he said, okay, bhavatu, tatastu. So who were those great sages, so powerful? The beards were like 5 miles long, 3 kilometers long. Jata was like went from Vishnu Loka down to Padaloka. And those were the Shruticharis, the Shrutis living on Kshirodakshay Vishnu, who wake up Vishnu every morning. Like you have stereo or music on your phone or whatever. Om Tad Vishnu Paramam Param Sada Pashyanti Suryo Jujiva Chakshotatam Tad Vipraso Jugivamsa Samindate Vishnu Yat Paramam Padam Om Narayana Namaha Om Narayana Namaha Om Narayana Namaha Utto. So they sing shlokas from the Rig Veda. The Rig Veda is Nitya. And this is a shlok from Rig Veda. And they glorify him. It's very nice, and many musicians. And they're singers. So they left that singing post in Kshirodakshay Vishnu Loka. They came and did tapasya as gopis, manjaris, and finally they became Sakhis of Krishna, so they could dance in the Ras Leela, become Krishna's wives, and play music and sing for Krishna in the Ras Leela. So this is how attractive the gopis' whole experience is, that even the greatest, most powerful, influential personalities are hankering to become a 14-year-old girl and feel helpless and utterly hopeless when Krishna stands before us and examines us. So all of us, no matter how big or how small or how powerful or influential we are, we must become like a tender Komal, Sukumari Gopi. Sukumari Gopi, very soft and gentle and feel helpless. Oh, hey, Bhagavan. And there are many bhajans like that also, by the great devotees, especially comes to mind Mirabai. She has some songs in this mood of surrender and absolute helplessness. Krishna likes that. He likes to see the devotees feeling helpless